Here's another new kitty. This is Symon. Symon's fur is so soft. You've got such beautiful soft fur. You do. I know. Sorry about the tail. Sorry. But Symon just arrived as well. Yes. Got a number of kitties looking for their homes, don't we? We do. And I still have cats I have cats behind me. Yes, everywhere. Yes. Symon didn't take long at all when he got here to adjust. He just made himself right at home. He sort of looks like a kitty we just had, was adopted. Trolley was just adopted. He sort of has the same, you have the same facial features almost, sort of. Not quite, but sort of. He likes to lick. You are a licker. You are a licker. So if you're looking for a really nice younger male, you want to check out Symon.